Bhatnagar, updated, June 28, 2018 11:19 IST. It was in 2016, during monsoon, my friends and I went on a long drive to Niamrana Fort, just to taste the local onion and aloo pakoras that are served with spicy Hari Mirch ki chutney. There is perhaps no better way to enjoy monsoon than through this simple food, which surely hits the right spot. Since then, it has become like a tradition that whenever the first spell of rainy season sets in, we make sure to visit Niamrana to savor the delectable dish. It did not take us long to realize our love for this local dish was only because of this lip-smacking Hari Mirch ki chutney, which initially looked very ordinary but soon took over a heroic personality. This spicy, savory and sinful Hari Mirch ki chutney is also known as thicha in states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh, which is traditionally paired with a main course. You can use this exotic chutney as a sandwich spread, as a spicy dip, or as a topping for your tea-time snacks. Also read -12 unbelievable health benefits of green chilies, 0 calories, but packed with vitamins. Hari Mirch ki chutney is also known as thicha. Preparation time, 2 minutes. Cooking time, 2 to 3 minutes. Ingredients for Hari Mirch ki chutney: 15 to 18 green chilies, 3 garlic bulbs, 2 tbsp oil, 4 tbsp lemon, salt as per your taste. How to make Hari Mirch ki chutney: cut green chilies in small pieces and manually grind it with the help of mortar. You may also use grinder to grind the chilies. If you don't have mortar and pestle, add garlic and salt in the mortar and with the help of pestle, crush all the ingredients. Now, heat some oil in a kadai and add the crushed coarse paste and cook it for about 2 minutes. Pour the chutney in a bowl and add lemon juice to it. Your Hari Mirch ki chutney is ready to be savored. A post shared by Tiny Chef, at Thatanich, on June 26, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Best way to savor Hari Mirch ki chutney is to pair it with Mirchi vada, Mung Dal vada or Bayer ki roti, which will take you back in time, where things were simple but heartfelt.